Hi Bhaskar Bhushan, how are you?
I'm fine. How do you do?
Can you be louder, please?
Hi, I'm fine. How do you do?
So, what do you have to say on the attack made by Iran on Israel?
It's a part of Israel's policy against terror.
But Israel is a victim of terrorism. Don't you agree on that?
Yes, that is why I said it's a part of the policy.
But what will
Iran has been
Israel do
provoked
now?
Israel has been provoked into a situation where they have the right to self-defense. And since the attack on Iran, Iran has also reserved the same right against the perpetrators of attack on Iran. So it's a full blown out war situation in that region.
So, do you think Mr. Modi's visit to Cyprus and to other nations recently has something to do with the attack by Iran on Israel, and will it impact?
Iran has been traditionally supporting Pakistan,
Okay,
except for their oil interests. Iran's natural ally during the course of the last 10-15 years has been Pakistan. Same goes with Turkey. So this is an effort to decouple Turkey as well and to create alternate channels.
and have you heard about the promotion of Mr. Asim Munir to the
Yes.
rank of Field Marshal,
What can you say
even
about
though he lost
what can
the,
you say about Pakistanis? I mean, this is not even a question because
and he
see,
has been to
the
United
criteria of
States
winning a
to
medal
attend
in
a
Pakistan is to lose
parade
a war.
there. He has been called by United States. Do you think US has revealed its double face that it has,
Yes.
that it always had?
US has many interests, in fact, multiple interests, and you cannot run global politics or the policies of international politics in a very straitjacket manner where it should be understandable or it should be overly simplified in a black and white manner. It
Okay,
cannot be done.
okay. So, do
See,
you think India should do something about it?
Iran also on that note, Iran also gave us the Chabahar.
We have a very different kind of relationship with Iran.
Exactly.
But why is Iran having a
But when
tense
it becomes a
situation
binary,
with
but
America?
when it becomes a binary between Pakistan and India, Iran is not so forthright.
So we cannot keep ourselves away from this situation.
Yes,
And this is a developing one.
we are also operating in our own silo as to what is best for our interests in, let's say, a situation where two different parties who are least connected or are interconnected or have been seen in the same bracket are operating. So we are also trying to decouple certain aspects of our foreign policy, and we have also been trying to forge new relations. And in the same effort, this has been done. The Prime Minister's visit to Cyprus is an effort to open channels with a partner or to create a partner which is traditionally against Turkey.
So what do you know about Cyprus? Can you tell something about Cyprus to my viewers? I mean the geographical.
No, I'm sorry, I do not have any idea about
Oh, you
Cyprus.
were weak at geography. I knew.
Well, in the context of this question, you can say that.
Okay, but do you know that Cyprus is located in the middle of Mediterranean Sea,
Yes,
and it is near to Lebanon and Israel.
yes,
Israel is open to sea,
yes. In fact,
and it
Israel,
is a small island country.
what, Israel?
Not Israel.
Cyprus.
Cyprus is a
Yes,
small island country having no boundary with any country,
yes.
and Mr. Modi has been conferred a civilian award by the government of.
Materials of third or something, I remember.
Where did you see it?
In my feeds,
And what do you watch? Instagram or something else? Which social media do you handle? You are not on social media.
no, I am on social media, but I do not handle any social
Why
media
do you
as such.
think the conflict between Israel and Hamas has been lingering for so long? What could be the factors? And what is the solution to this
No,
situation?
there is no solution. It is a binary between two countries or two warring factions based on an ideological lineage which they think exists or will exist safely only at the demise, at the behest of the demise of the other. So one has to be completely wiped out in order for the second to exist safely. So Israel has a point because they have been the historical victims of violence, discrimination, and on the other hand, Hamas has a ideological point that they keep
But
peddling.
most of the leaders of Hamas are either dead or
Yes.
they have left the country or they have taken asylum somewhere else.
They are funded by factions who do not want peace in Middle East, who want America to be engaged in at least supporting Israel, or wants Israel to engage in one-on-one skirmishes or full blown out wars with the different countries. I mean, Israel is surrounded by snakes. There is no point in me highlighting here that Israel Israel's right to self-defense has anything to do with a misplaced sense of trust or a misplaced sense of uh, false security. They have been battling a lot of enemies. Now, it may be questionable.
What is the role of Russia
See, it
into
may be
this?
questionable that what they are doing to the Gaza Strip or what they have done to the Golan Heights, but it has to be seen in the context of at least 500 years, and more so under the microscopic lens of the period when Israel became a democracy, and the and the period in which the idea of Israel started gaining prominence, which others like to call it as the uprise of Zionist regime. That is not the case. I mean, to say that somebody who has been historically discriminated suddenly starts gaining an ideological basis becomes a fascist or a Zionist, and those who have been against them suddenly become victims. They wage a war against a country that is newly formed. That country somehow magically defeats all of these.
How many wars Israel have fought with
I think I have lost
other countries in Middle East?
I mean, they have been fighting wars in every part of the Middle East. Every